Number 26 of the ABCs, the violin. This is Go Tell Aunt Rhody. A very uplifting song. I only know one line of it. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, the old gray goose is dead. That happens on the farm. So this is also the Suzuki book, but it uses quarter notes and eighth notes. And this is using half notes and quarter notes. And I like it because it makes you slow down a little bit more and utilize that full bow and just get comfortable with it. I am seeing that there are also dynamics in here, and that helps us to make it a little bit more exciting. And this is the first time that they've introduced dynamics in this book. I'm just now realizing that. So, dynamics is where we change the volume and of our playing, and that can be done a few different ways. Check out my video on dynamics, and it has to do with pressure, speed, and your point of contact on the string with your bow, of how close you are to the bridge or the fingerboard, and a lot of things get to happen in there. So mezzo forte is like a medium loud, and then we have mezzo piano, which is a medium quiet. And do a bunch of exercises to experiment with this. You should be getting really good at sight reading these few notes because we're just going up to our F. So let's speed read it. Number 26. 1, 2, ready, read. C, C, B, A, B, B, C, B, A, E, E, D, C, C, B, A, B, C, A, C, C, D, E, E, F, F, E, D, C, 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 D, E, E, F, F, E, C, C, B, A, B, B, C, B, A, E, E, D, C, C, B, A, B, C, A. Okay, let's pluck it. Set those first two fingers up, have that first one behind it. 1, 2, ready, go. C, A, B, C, B, A. Open E. E, D, C, C, B, A, B, C, A, 2, 3, C. C, D, E, E. First finger's F. E, D, C, C again. C, D, E, E, F, F. Open E. 2, second finger C, C, B, A, B, B, C, B, A. Open E, 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 D, C, C, B, A, B, C, A, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now the first two lines are the same as the last two lines, so you learning the first two lines, you learned almost half of it. So let's now play it with that bow. Let's slow it down a little bit so we can get a really good tone with these half notes and these whole notes. You're just combining everything with this. 1, 2 on the A string. 1, 2, ready, go.